Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how can you claim the Pulsechain airdrop for free. This is the free airdrop that can be organized by a Pulsechain airdrop. So Pulsechain is a Ethereum fork delicate proof of stake validators. That means they can sort at 3-second block to no mining, no inflation, no fee warning about the blockchain. Pulsechain has done a fork of Ethereum block height more than and copied all ETH, ECR20 NFT asset to the Pulsechain network. So you can also use the ECR20, ETH and NFT assets in the Pulsechain network. An airdrop free is token sent to the address given by the contributor of the contributor or who can participate in the airdrop. They have to give their token address so they can send you the free token of Pulsechain air networks. Case of Pulsechain airdrop, there are two methods. You can almost do anything to double your tokens. So keep reading and keep watching the video for the upcoming updates. So how can you join the airdrops? How can you join the Pulsechain airdrop? Step by step we will guide. Here first of all, write it the Pulsechain had launched its mainnet and did a fork of Ethereum and copied all ECR20 and ETH and NFT balances. So that's mean you have there have to launch the mainnet and then fork the Ethereum. That's means you have to transit their mainnet and fork the Ethereum. You can transit with the ETH, ECR20 or NFT balances. So there is a, for example, one ETH is equal one PLS pulse chain token. So one SIP is equal one SIP on Ethereum. That's mean is equal one SIP on pulse chain. There is no manual action required. That's mean there is one and one equal. That's mean one SIP token in Ethereum network, then one SIP token in pulse chain network. There is no value quantity or changes any other things. So you have to be copied ECR20 token and NFT will have value the respective projects. So transact on the mainnet and stay get ready for the airdrop. Who is eligible? So first of all, how can you eligible for the airdrop? ECR20 and NFT holders who are in blockchain Ethereum blockchains, they are eligible for the airdrop. So they have the snapshot of 10 May 2023. That's mean it's have a earlier end of but they will also increase their second types. That's mean you have to be sacrifice coins and donated the cents. That's mean you have to be sacrifice coins matlab they have to be participate in a burn and any other things that are going to be 15 October. That's a huge and the price pool of the $75 approximately you will get for the airdrop. So winners is unlimited because as many as people completed their tasks, they will be eligible for the result and airdrops. So there the link given on the claim now buttons. They will directly you go give you the website of the Pulsechain airdrop. So I am not clicking on it. You have to be click on it. After then you have to complete the task. Then you will get the airdrop for free. So this is the video for the Pulsechain airdrop. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and have a good day. I am giving the link of this website and you will get it. And today for bye bye.